Hi, welcome to Jackie Burns Creations 30 Days of Christmas Ornaments. And here's another one for you. I have terracotta pots, the little tiny ones, and some styrofoam balls. And I'm painting the first one white, and the second one a chocolate brown. And I'm painting a couple of good-sized beads. I took a piece of wire and I just kind of judged, and I'm taking a pencil and wrapping the wire around it. When I think I've got enough wrap, then I cut it off. And I'm making a little more straight, flat part to put behind the snowman's neck to make him some arms. Okay, so I need to make him a hat. And this is some of the felt from Dollar Tree. Boy, it's thin felt. So I'm looking at my cutting lines and trying to make it about I think 2 inches. So I'm rolling it up. And I cut it in half. Get just a tiny bit more off of there. And I'm adding the second half. Okay, so that's the top part of the hat. Now I'm taking this little wood round and painting it black. Gotta get both sides. Okay, put a little glue on there and stuck the felt roll on top. Now, I should have glued the arms on first, but I didn't. So I'm taking the back of a paintbrush and making the dots for the eyes and the mouth. Give him some eyebrows. Give him some little expression there. Okay, putting some eyes on this guy. Oh, and I guess I skipped over. I didn't show you. I glued his arms on. Now, I should have put this on first, but I glued it into place. And sorry I skipped over. He's got a little scarf, and now I'm gluing the hat on. And I thought I was going to give this gingerbread person a scarf, but then I didn't. Okay. Making a mouth on him with some puffy paint and going around the arms in a squiggly motion, just like frosting. Oh yeah, a little squiggle for hair. Okay, I'm adding a little embellishment to the snowman's hat. Some florals. Well, I hope you're enjoying so far the 30 days of ornaments. Adjusting his... Okay, there he's done. And there's that one done. And I show how you could glue ribbon on the back to hang them up. Or you can just leave them sitting. Thank you for coming. Please subscribe. And I'll see you soon.